Did you know that only about 5% of lithium-ion batteries are recycled? That's right. The very batteries powering our smartphones, laptops, and electric vehicles might just be ticking time bombs for our planet. But what if there was a way to change that and save our environment in the process? Lithium-ion batteries, we rely on them every single day, often without a second thought. They're in our pockets, on our wrists, driving us around, and even powering our homes and cities. But what makes these batteries so indispensable? And more importantly, what secrets are they hiding? Today, we're diving deep into the world of lithium-ion batteries, uncovering their inner workings, their environmental impact, and the innovations that could change everything. Stay with us, because we're going to reveal some startling truths and promising solutions that you won't want to miss. To understand the power of lithium-ion batteries, we need to go back to the early 1990s. It was then that Sony commercialized the first lithium-ion battery, revolutionizing portable electronics. This breakthrough wasn't just about making our gadgets more convenient, it marked the beginning of a new era in energy storage. Fast forward to today, and these batteries are the backbone of modern technology, from smartphones to electric cars. But their journey from groundbreaking innovation to everyday necessity wasn't without challenges and controversies. So, how do lithium-ion batteries actually work? At their core, these batteries consist of an anode, a cathode, and an electrolyte. When you charge the battery, lithium ions move from the cathode to the anode. When you use the battery, these ions flow back to the cathode, creating an electric current. It sounds simple, but the chemistry behind it is incredibly complex and efficient, allowing for high energy density and long battery life. Let's talk about the environmental impact. Mining for lithium and cobalt is a resource-intensive process that can have devastating effects on local ecosystems. In places like the Atacama Desert in Chile, lithium mining has led to water shortages and soil degradation, affecting local communities and wildlife. And then there's the issue of recycling, or the lack thereof. Despite the high value of the materials in lithium-ion batteries, only about 5% of these batteries are recycled. Most end up in landfills, where they can leak toxic chemicals into the environment. The situation is further complicated by the demand for these materials, which is expected to skyrocket as electric vehicles become more common. This raises significant concerns about the sustainability of lithium-ion batteries in their current form. Our dependency on lithium-ion batteries is only set to increase. Companies like Tesla are not just using these batteries in cars, but also in large-scale energy storage solutions like the Tesla Powerwall and Megapack. These systems are designed to store energy at a massive scale, helping to power entire cities and stabilize the grid. As the demand for renewable energy sources grows, so does the need for efficient storage solutions. Lithium-ion batteries are at the forefront of this revolution, but with limited resources and increasing demand, the pressure on supply chains is immense. This is why recycling is not just important, but essential for the future. So, how much of a lithium-ion battery can actually be recovered? Current recycling technologies can reclaim up to 95% of the valuable metals from these batteries. This includes lithium, cobalt, nickel, and copper. Companies like Li-Cycle and Redwood Materials are at the forefront of this effort, developing methods to recover these materials efficiently and economically. The best methods for recycling lithium-ion batteries involve a combination of mechanical and chemical processes. Mechanical processes include shredding the batteries and separating the components, while chemical processes involve extracting the metals through hydrometallurgy or pyrometallurgy. One particularly promising technique involves using a process called direct recycling, which maintains the integrity of the cathode material. This process is not only more efficient but also more environmentally friendly than traditional methods. Companies like Princeton New Energy are pioneering these advanced recycling techniques, aiming to recover and reuse battery materials without degrading their quality. One way to ensure more batteries are recycled is through mandatory recycling programs. Countries like Germany and South Korea have implemented regulations that require the recycling of electronic waste, including batteries. Such policies could be a game changer in increasing recycling rates and reducing environmental impact. Consider this. If we made battery recycling mandatory worldwide, we could drastically reduce the environmental footprint of our tech-dependent lifestyles. Imagine a future where every battery you use is part of a closed-loop system, where old batteries are continuously recycled to make new ones. The implications of improved battery recycling are enormous. Not only would it reduce the need for new mining, but it would also stabilize supply chains and reduce geopolitical tensions related to the sourcing of critical materials. For instance, much of the world's cobalt comes from the Democratic Republic of Congo, where mining practices have been linked to severe human rights abuses, including child labor. But what can we do as consumers? One of the most effective actions we can take is to ensure that our used batteries are properly recycled. Many communities have battery recycling programs, and companies like Apple and Tesla offer take-back programs for old devices and batteries. But all hope is not lost. Researchers and companies worldwide are working tirelessly to develop more sustainable and efficient battery technologies. One promising approach is the development of solid-state batteries, which could potentially offer higher energy densities and lower environmental impacts compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Another exciting innovation is the use of alternative materials like sodium and magnesium, which are more abundant and less harmful to extract. Additionally, advancements in battery recycling technologies are making it more feasible to recover valuable materials from used batteries, reducing the need for new mining. The path forward is clear. We must support and invest in battery recycling technologies and policies that promote sustainability. By doing so, we can mitigate the environmental impact of our dependence on lithium-ion batteries and pave the way for a cleaner, greener future. Lithium-ion batteries are an integral part of our modern lives, powering everything from our smartphones to our electric vehicles, but their environmental impact cannot be ignored. As we continue to rely on these powerful energy sources, it's crucial that we support and invest in innovations that make them more sustainable. By understanding the challenges and embracing new solutions, we can ensure a future where our technology doesn't come at the expense of our planet. If you're intrigued by the hidden costs and the promising future of lithium-ion batteries, don't forget to subscribe and click here to watch this next video about how we can power our future for more interesting mind quests that change the way we see our world.